In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design social media posters in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that makes creating vibrant and engaging social media posters a breeze. So let's dive right in and get started with our design journey. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. You can easily do this by navigating to the Canva website in your browser or using the Canva app on your device. If you don't already have an account, it's a quick process to sign up and is well worth it for the myriad of creative possibilities Canva offers you. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new design. Look for the Create a Design button. Clicking this will display a variety of preset options tailored for different social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Choose a social media preset that suits your needs. This way, you ensure that your design is formatted perfectly for the platform you're targeting. Now onto the creative part, you have two options. You can either pick a template from Canva's extensive library, or if you're feeling adventurous, start from scratch. Selecting a template might be a good choice if you need some inspiration or want to streamline your process. However, starting from scratch allows for complete personalization. Next, let's think about the background. A strong background can set the tone for your poster. You want something that complements your design without overwhelming your content. Consider the mood you wish to convey and choose colors or patterns that align with your message. Adding text comes next, and here's where boldness counts. You want your message to stand out and be effortlessly readable, especially given the fast-scrolling nature of social media. Opt for clear, bold fonts, and don't hesitate to play around with sizing to make the text pop. To further enhance your design, head over to the Elements tab on Canva. Here you can add various visuals and graphics. Movies, lines, shapes, illustrations, and even charts are available. Mix and match elements to create a design that captures attention and serves your message effectively. Once you're satisfied with your layout, get playful with effects and filters. These tools can transform your design, adding depth and coherence. Adjust brightness, contrast, and apply filters to achieve the aesthetic you're aiming for. Remember, subtlety is key. Effects should enhance, not overpower. Finally, when you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to hit the share button. Download your poster in a format suitable for your needs. PNG or JPG is recommended for high-quality results. And there you have it, your personalized social media poster ready to captivate your audience with style and flair. In just 5 minutes, you've learned how to design an impressive social media poster using Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.